Welcome to Day Tutorials. This video is going to be about the input type tel. So let's get started. Let's start with the for. Next, we're going to have label. And inside, we're going to put phone number. And we're going to put input. And here we can change it to tel. Now, let's check the browser. So this is our input box, and it has one problem, that it doesn't check for the validity of the phone number. Now let's try something. Let's put some letters. Now let's hit enter, and it doesn't validate the input. Now there is a solution. Now let's go back to VS Code, and here we're gonna add the pattern attribute, and the pattern attribute has a specific format. Now let's see how it works. First, let's say we are asking for 3 numbers between 0 and 9. We're gonna start with curly brackets. Now, to the left, we're gonna put the minimum number, so it's 0, and then dash, then the maximum number, let's say it's 8. Now, outside the brackets, we're gonna add another curly bracket, and here we're gonna specify how many numbers we want. Now, let's say 3. Then we're gonna put a dash. Here we're gonna ask for like 4 numbers, let's say between 2 and 9, and we're gonna add the curly braces, so 4. Now as you can see, there is space right here. You should always take it out, and you can also take the dash here out if you want, but we're gonna keep it. So let's go back to browser. Now let's try random thing. Let's hit enter, and here we have the message, please match the requested format. Now let's try our format. So first we have 3 numbers between 0 and 8, so let's say 5, 4, 8, and here we're obliged to add the dash. Now we have 4 numbers between 2 and 9. Now let's put 5, 8, 2 9s. Now let's hit enter, and it works. Now let's try a wrong number. Let's say 3 zeros and 4 sevens. Now let's enter, and here we can see that it's not accepting the new number. Now let's go back to VS Code to add one last thing. Now can actually, for the tel attribute, we can add a placeholder. So placeholder, just to tell the user the format. So let's put 3 numbers between 0 and 8, and 4 numbers between 2 and 9. Now let's go back to the browser, and here is our placeholder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.